Hello YouTubers out there, welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you how to take a drain pump off a LG front loader. But this is just not your regular front loader, this is a direct drive system. And I haven't seen no videos done on this one, so I'm going to show you what I've done already because I've taken everything apart already. So what you're going to do is this piece right here goes right here, and you have a screw that goes right there to hold it in place. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the front cover off, because they have a front cover that goes on this. I took that off already and set it somewhere, but yeah, you're going to take this off, and then this part here is going to be sitting right behind this wall here, and then you're going to have two screws right here, 1, 2, and then you're going to replace those two screws and take those out. And once you take those screws out, what you're going to do is you're going to go up underneath. See, you have this little plate right there and everything, but you still have your little hole. So what you're going to do is, and you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, which what I have right there, one Phillips screwdriver and a pair of channel locks. That's all I use to change the pump. Just that simple. So what you're going to do is go underneath here, and the drain line right there is connected to this top portion right here, and then this piece right here that I done took off already, I made sure it was clean or whatever, this comes from up here. And all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Take that off, and then when you disconnect this here, all you use is the grip pliers and grip that right there, and you pull that off, and this piece right here is going to connect. This piece here is going to connect to here, and you take that off, and all that's going to be in the air while you're taking it off. And of course, before you start this job, you have to make sure all your water is drained out. This little piece come off right here, it just pops out. You drain all your water, and after that, what you're gonna do is pull this off, and then see down here they have this little piece right here that connects to this right here, slides on right there. So what you have to do is get you like a little butter knife or something to stick right there and pry this down a little bit, and then you just slide that back. Then you just slide this piece right here back so you can pull it off. And then what you have here, which this here is the pump, which mine is no good no more. My pump's no good no more. This piece here spins, but it's all wiggly, wobbly and stuff like that. It's real loose. It shouldn't be like that. So this piece here comes off of here. So you're gonna have some trouble with taking this off the back, because you gotta take this here and slide. You gotta take this piece right here and slide it right over this piece right here. So you have this little piece on the back. It's gonna be connected to here. So you pry this piece back a little bit so that it'll go over here, and you pull this back. And so once you pull this back off of here, once you pull this back, it's gonna get caught up right here. And once it gets caught up right there, what you have to do is just pull this down, pull this piece down a little bit so it'll slide back across the grooves like that. And that's how you take that off. And when you take this off here, which connects to right here, you got 3 screws, boom, boom, boom. Just connect it to here, pull it off, take 3 screws off, and you're good to go. And you replace this. Oh, and see these 2 right here? This comes off the back right there. This comes off of there. So you unplug those, take it off, and that's it. Then you finish with the job. Then you go order your new part, put the new part on, and you're good to go. So what I'm going to do is, after I order the part, I'm going to get back on the video and show you guys how to put it back together. But basically it's just, the reverse. How you take something off, you put it back on the same way. So you guys go ahead on and like my video, subscribe to my channel. If I did a good job, let me know. If I didn't, you can let me know that too. I can take criticism, it really doesn't matter, but I think this is a pretty good video of how to take down a pump for the drain hose on a LG washing machine front loader direct drive system. So whoever has a direct drive system like this, it's real simple. You don't have to take this cover off like some of the other guys, and they got the little drawers that you got to take off. You don't have to do none of that. You just go straight to the source and work from underneath. Just that simple. So you guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and y'all enjoy my video. Like and subscribe. Hit those buttons. Share my channel. With a lot of people, whoever else might be having problems with this same thing. And maybe later on down the future I'll make some more videos on other things. But this is my first video for YouTube. So hit me up, guys. Y'all have a wonderful day. Stay blessed.